Have you ever tried to prepare a meal in a kitchen you're unfamiliar with? You tend to waste a lot of time looking for the tools and ingredients you need. Wasting time in your friend's kitchen is okay, but wasting time on the job is not. From heavy goods fleet managers to maintenance managers, or anyone in between, you're likely in the same boat, always short on time with multiple tasks at hand. That's why it's crucial to keep everything organized to get the job done on time. EMDECS provides customized dashboards, so whenever you log in, you see the most relevant info right in front of you. With the customizable panels, it's easy to cut unnecessary browsing short and get straight to work. Get focused and take control of the information you need, when you need to see it, and start cooking. Visit brightorder.co.uk to see how EMDECS can help simplify your workflow.